Welcome to Markeflex Gold Research and Trading Institute. Today we have a piece of uplifting news for everyone. Today one of our student trainee is able to make 100% returns in less than a week. So this is the power of learning technical analysis. The reason we promote education, we promote technical analysis is that people should learn first in the monetary market. This is the market wherein you can earn money faster than any other industry, because if you go into any other profession you get paid after a month, but here in trading you will know the result in maximum within 4 hours or within a day. So when you invest money in your trades you get to know your result, whether it is a loss or profit. This is one of our trainees' accounts. 2 days he has made a profit of $120 on the 20th of July 2021. If your last week's profit, we've been able to make more than 100% return in terms of the capital. The equity was around 777 and the profit is 778.78, so this is more than 100% in less than a week. If you want to become a professional trader, please reach out to us. We would be eager to assist you to turn you into a professional trader.